Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Shopify payment is on hold. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, okay? And then here, as you can see, it says that in most cases, it is because they require supplementary account holder information for verification purposes. Thus, when a Spotify payments account is on hold, the Shopify account holder is sent an email with additional information. If you haven't received the email, contact support directly via this link. Okay? So now, there are a lot of reasons why your payment is on hold. Okay? So these are some of the reasons why your account is or your payment on Shopify is on hold. Okay. So first of all, your payments from Shopify payments are on hold while we review your account. You may need to submit some additional documents about yourself and your business to complete this standard review. An email was sent to the account owner with more details about this temporary payout hold. This hold does not prevent your customers from checking out. Okay, so basically this means is that Shopify just needs to verify yourself and also your business. Okay, so the second one is additional document required. Thank you for signing up for Shopify payments. In order to complete an initial review and ensure payments continue to be sent to your account, please submit the requested documentation. As always, your information is secure and will only be used to complete this review. Okay, so if you see this, just go ahead and upload the needed document. Okay, and then after that, you just need to wait until Shopify verified your account. Okay, so one of the also reason is due to regulatory changes in your country, you need to submit documents that verify information about your business before the said date. You will be unable to accept payments from your customers if you do not submit the documents. Okay, so what you also need to do is to just go ahead and submit the needed documents so that this can fix the problem. Okay, so the next one is, or the last one is, your payouts from Shopify payments are on hold while we review your account. Contact support for next step on the standard review. This hold does not prevent your customers from checking out. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and contact the Shopify support, and they should provide you with assistance about this issue or problem. Okay, and that is how you fix Shopify payment is on hold. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.